Good morning, all of you. So today we are going to start the chapter 6. There is triangle. About a triangle in class 9 also, in class 8 also we have studied properly. Also, I want to revise once about a triangle, okay? So different types of triangle and its property I am going to tell you. So please note down it, okay? See, triangles. Triangle means what? A plane figure bounded by a three-line segment. In a triangle, there are three sides and three angles and three vertices, right? So, on the side, there are three triangles and depending on the angle, there are three triangles. Is it? Depending on sides, there are three triangles are there. What? Number one is what? Scale, right? Scale and triangle. Scale and triangle. Number two, what was? Isosceles triangles, right? Isosceles triangles. And the last one, what? Number three, equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral triangle. So, since this is video for the class 10 student, I don't think that the definition you don't know that. So, definition also I am going to tell you once. See, scale and triangle means what? Which triangle does not equal at all sides? Is it? Which triangle has no equal side? Is it? And isosceles triangle means what? Where the two sides are equal, right? Two sides are equal. Is it? And here all sides are unequal, right? All sides are unequal. And this is equilateral triangle means what? Where the three sides are equal. Is it? All the three sides are equal. Is it? And see, depending on the angle, there are three types of triangles are there. Number one, what? Acute angle triangles. Is it? Acute angle triangle. Number two, right angle triangle. Right? Right angle triangle. And number three, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle triangle. Is it? So, this one also I am going to give you a concept. Just a sec. Acute angle means what? Which is less than 90 degree, right? Which is less than 90 degree but more than 0 degree. This is known as acute angles. Is it? And right angle means what? Which is exactly equal to 90 degree. This is known as right angle triangles. And which is more than 90 degree. This is known as obtuse angle triangles. Right? So, these are the types of triangle and its definition. Okay. So, all the definition as an introduction class you write in your front page after you start your class 10 standard mathematics. Okay. Now see, also if possible you try to find the area of all triangles. Okay. It is needed for solving any questions. Okay. See, the term related to triangles are what? Congruent. Is it? Congruent. 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 And similar figure. Is it? Similar figure. Is it? Acceptor. Is it? So congruence means what? And that similar means what? Are there any difference between congruence and similar? So I am going to tell you. Please listen properly. Okay. So first of all, I am going to tell you about a congruent figure, not the triangles, for all the figures, okay? It may be circle, it may be rhombus, it may be square, it may be triangle, it may be different types of quadrilateral, okay? So, for all the figures, the congruent means what? So, you write congruent figure, okay? congruent figure. First of all, I am going to tell you congruent figure. So congruent figure means what? That figures whose shapes and sides are not equal, are equal in the all respects are called congruent figures. So congruent figure means what? The figures whose shapes and sides are equal in all respects are called congruent figures. Okay? You understood? All the shapes and size are equal in all respects are called congruent figures. So, see, in triangle also, that corresponding angle should be equal, is it? Corresponding side should be equal, corresponding, is it? So, if you are getting the such ideas, means all equal in respect, it will be that congruent figure. Okay? Then a similar figure means what? Similar figure means similar figure. Similar figure means what? Do you know? The figures whose shapes are same, but for similar, that size we don't need, okay? Not necessary about a same size are called similar figures. দেখিবলৈ যদি একে হয় তেতিয়াহ'লে আমাৰ কি হ'ব এইটো similar figure. ঠিক আছে আমাৰ triangle সৰু এটা triangle ডাঙৰ এটা if you are taking a small triangles and if you are taking a big triangles that if the shape is same then we can tell these two figures are similar figure. Okay? And see, now we are going to discuss these terms about only on the triangle because we are going to study about a triangle, right? So, right now, congruent of a triangle. Congruent of a triangle. Okay? So, congruent of a triangle means what? Two triangles are congruent if its corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Okay? Two triangles are congruent if its corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Okay? So, for the examples, if you are looking at the two figure, definition you write, okay? Skip the video and try to write, okay? A, B, C, and more one triangle if you are taking that PQR, suppose PQR, then these two triangles will be ABC triangle congruent to triangle PQR. When we can prove that corresponding angles or corresponding sides are equal in respect, then these two triangles will be congruent. So, in this case, you see, because we are taking only that example, is it? So, this one, suppose you take 30 degree, then this will be 30 degree. Okay, this one. Okay, then from here you see that AB is equal to PQ, is it? So, BC is equal to QR, and this is AC is equal to PR, right? So that if we go that three things are equal, then we can tell that this shape is congruent. And here, if you are looking for angles also, this is 30, is it? So suppose I'm going to put here 60 degree, here also will be 60 degree, is it? Then it will be 90 degree, it will be 90 degree, right? For angles also it will be equal, right? Because we have taken the such examples only, is it? So in such way, if you are getting that all the sides or angles in respect are equal, then the triangle or the figure will be congruent. Okay? In here, in this, after that congruence of a triangle, we have to know about the scale factor. So what is scale factor? Scale factor, okay. Can you hear that term scale factor till now? Scale factor is a very important topic, okay? Very important topic. So you study your book properly, then you will know properly, okay? What is scale factor? Scale factor is defined as the same ratio of the corresponding sides for the polygons. It is also called the representative fraction. Okay. So that by skipping that video, you please write this notes. Okay. This definition. Even if you try to understand, if you are not understanding, then tell me. I will help you. Okay. See, scale factor. Scale factor is defined as the same ratio. You can see this triangles. Is it same ratio of the corresponding sides for the polygons? Is it? So suppose. So for entering the chapter 6, this triangle, so you have to know that one thing, most important, that equiangular triangle. Equiangular triangle means what? Equiangular triangles are those triangles in which their corresponding angles are equal. Okay. So these are the terms, main terms for these chapters. I have told you that if possible, I will write in description box, but you try to write from the video. Skipping the video, you write. Okay. So that this definition is the very most important for these chapters. After this, I am going to tell you that about the properties of triangles. Okay, these two properties I have written. This is you have got in your earlier classes in class 9 as a theorem. Is it? So for now, number one, what I have written: angles opposite to equal sides of it as triangles are equal. Angle opposite to equal side of an isosceles triangles are equal. That means, see, isosceles triangle means what? Two sides are equal, right? These two sides are equal. Okay. If these two sides are equal, then their base angle will be always equal. Okay. So according to this first property of the triangles, if these two triangles are equal, then this two base angle will be always equal. Okay, right? So question number two property, you see the sides opposite to equal side. The sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Angle of a triangles are always equal. The sides opposite to equal angles are of a triangle are always equal. Okay. So sometimes if you are getting, suppose these two side angles are equal. Okay. Equal in ratio. Okay. Equal. Then that's a for these angles, the opposite sides are this one, and for this angle, opposite sides are this one. Is it? So if you are getting that equal, these two angles are equal, then both the side will be equal. Okay. So this is the property for both property for isosceles triangles. So in these two triangles, the property you have to keep it in your mind. Then only it will be easy for you to solve any problems related to circle or related to triangle, and very useful for this for your new life. Okay. Then see which note already I told you. By looking these notes, you can do now your exercise problems. Exercise 6.1. See, I'm going to discuss about this also. Okay. This one your book, and this one your exercise 6.1. I'm going to tell you here in the book. Okay, but you write in your notebook. Okay. So before starting the 6.1 exercise, I already told that congruent figure and similar triangles is similar figures. So congruent means what? Those which figures are equal in respect that corresponding angles and corresponding angle sides. These are congruent. And similar means what? Which shapes are same. Whose figures shapes are same, but not size. No need size, only shapes. Suppose two triangles, is it, or two square, it may be the different size, but for looking it is same, no? Therefore you can tell two circles, is it? So it is round only. So which is same for looking, this figure is known as similar, is it? So only that similar and congruent related these questions are there. So you seek now. Okay. Number one is given. Fill in the blanks using the correct word given in brackets. Okay. See, the first question is given. All circles are dash congruent similar. Is it? So do you know what will be that? What will be the here? If you know, then leave a comment. Okay, let me know if you are no. Then see, second number, see, all squares are similar, congruent. Here will be the similar, is it? So all square means that size no need. For looking the all square is same, no? Same to same. That is why you can recognize that this is square, this is square, is it? So here will be the correct word is similar. Okay? And see, question number 3 you see, all triangles are similar. So which type of triangles are similar? Is it? So similar, here is given isosceles and equilateral. Is it? So the answer will be what? All equilateral triangles are similar. Okay? Here will be the equilateral. Okay? And see, for number 4 is given, two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if number A, their corresponding angles are dash, and number B is given, their corresponding sides are dash. Is it? So in bracket is given equal and proportional. Is it? So we have to put where is equal when where is proportional. Okay? See, their corresponding angles are here will be the equal. Okay, then only two polygons of the same number of sides are will be similar. Okay, then their corresponding sides will be in same proportional. Okay, their corresponding sides are proportional, then only the two polygons of the same number of sides will be similar. Okay, understood guys? Okay, that one number answer you give me in comment box. Okay, and see question number 2. What is given? Give two different examples of pairs of one number similar figure. Okay, so similar figure means what? For looking it will be equal, it will be same. Is it? So you can take that any two circles. Is it? Any two squares, any two rectangles. Different types you can take as according to you. Is it? Non-similar figure. One pair of non-similar figure we have to give. Okay. So one square and one circle. Is it? Square and circle are not same for looking it. Is it? So that non-similar figure. One circle and one square, and more one pair you have to give from yourself. Okay. You know. So this one also give the correct answer in comment box. Okay. Then see, question number 3, what we are asking, state whether the following equal quadrilaterals are similar or not. State whether the following quadrilaterals are similar or not. Okay. See, by looking these two figures, we can tell directly no answer, because the two quadrilaterals are not similar. In the first figure, this is rhombus, is it? Similar means what? Similar figure means what? Either circle, either square will be. Is it? So, these two figures are not similar. Why? The reason, can you tell me? In the first figure, it is rhombus, is it? And the second figure, it is square. The corresponding sides are in the same ratio, but their corresponding angles are not equal. Right? For here, this one and this one is not here it will be 90 degree. It is may or may not be 90 degree. Is it? But for a square, it is 90 degree. Okay. And now if we are going to see that ratio of that their corresponding sides, it will be same. But also the angles are not same. Is it? Therefore, it will not be similar. Similar means what? It should not be similar, because it is rhombus and it is square. Is it? Though all the property is same, approximately same, also these two figures are not similar. Okay? Then this all you write your notebook properly. Okay? And if you are not understanding, then reverse the video, listen from first, and you try to understand. Okay? After also you are not understanding, then you tell me, I will help you. Okay? Then you go for next. Students, after this you have to know about the similarity of triangles, right? similarity of triangle. So similarity of triangle is nothing, just two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal, and that second number, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio or in proportion, same proportion. Okay, so this is the similarity of triangle. Okay, you read. After that, the theorem 6.1 I have taken to solve you here. So all the theorems is very important for exam also, for MCQ question also, for any kind of for solving the exercise problem also. So that theorem is most important. Okay, so theorem you have to read, you have to solve properly. Okay, and you have to understand it. If you have don't doubt any doubt in any portion, so you cannot solve any questions. Okay, so you try to clear your doubts. Okay, so that theory, all the theorems you have to do properly. Okay, so I'm going to first of all I'm going to understand you that this theorem what told us. See, 6.1 theorem told that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So see, suppose you have drawn one triangle, okay, and more one triangle I am going to show you, and more one triangle I am going to show you. Okay, see, suppose this is A, B, C, D. Okay, A, B, C. This is P, Q, R. This is X, Y, Z. Okay. Now see, for the triangle ABC, if we draw one line parallel to BC, then where they will intersect? They will intersect AB and AC at the supposed point M and N. Then their ratio means what? AM by MB is equal to AN by NC will be. Okay, AM by, have you seen properly? AM by MB is equal to AN by NC. If these two, if we draw more one line parallel to the third side, is it? And if the third side will intersect the second two sides in distinct point, suppose M and N, then their ratio of these two sides will be same. Means AM by MB is equal to AN by NC. Okay. Same things. If I draw that a line parallel to PR, then it will be X like, is it? So then the line will intersect the QR and QP, suppose in point M and N. Okay. Then according to the theorem 6.1, the what will be QM by MP is equal to QN by NR. Understood? And again, if I going to draw one parallel line XY, parallel to XY, then that line only intersect the ZX and ZY at a point, suppose M and N. Then according to the theorem 6.1, what will be ZM by MX is equal to Zn by NY. Okay, Zn by NY. Okay, right? So this theorem 6.1 told us this way. Okay, so we are going to prove that how this will be equal. Okay, this one, suppose in the exam it will come as like prove that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in the distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Okay, so this theorem you have to prove. So I am going to prove in front of you. You see the video till the end and properly. Okay. Okay. See. Solution. You draw one triangle. Okay, I have drawn one triangle this way. this triangle I have drawn for solving it. Okay, this is A, B, C. Okay, and I have drawn more one line segment parallel to BC. Okay, so here suppose here I am drawing. Okay, here I have drawn, and I want to give you this point D and E. Okay, so first of all you write the given part. Okay, given in triangle ABC, the line segment DE is drawn. D is drawn parallel to BC, parallel to the third side, parallel to the third side BC. Okay, parallel to the third side BC. Okay, then we have to prove that see, if this line is drawn parallel to this side, according to that questions, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, is it? So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This one we have to prove. Okay, right? So for proving this one, what you will do? Nothing to do, is it? So you have to construct some line so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so you write now construction. Okay, how will you construct? Right, DM perpendicular AE means in bracket you can write AC. Okay, AC N means this one. Okay, DM from here, this is M suppose. Okay, DM. Okay, and EN perpendicular AD, in bracket you write AB. Okay, means AB is drawn. Okay, understood? From E we have drawn one perpendicular line, suppose EN to AD. Okay, now see, find the area of triangle ADE. AD is what? We know that this is half into base into height, right? But for area of triangle ADE is equal to what will be? Here see, for triangle ADE, the base will be what? 1 by 2 into base means what? AD, right? AD, is it? AD into height means what? DM, right? Oh, sorry, AD, is it? AD will be the base and EN will be the height, is it? EN. Okay, understood? Again, the area of triangle BDE is equal to here also half into base into height, right? So for here half into base means what? For triangle BDE, see the angle properly. Okay, triangle properly. BDE, this one also use on, and this one also use on. Okay, see, because we have find that triangle whose in this AD. Okay, in AB base, how many triangles are there? This one. Okay, then the area of triangle ABD is equal to half of base into height. So for this one, base will be what? DB, right? dB into En. Okay, this AB side, the two base we have got, is it ADN dB? We have got ADN dB. Okay, similarly, you go to find the area of triangle of those triangles which has the basis AC, means AE and EC, right? Okay, then now again, similarly, area of triangle DAE, is it DAE? Otherwise we can take ADE also, because we have taken once ADE, no? So similarly you take one take triangle ADE is equal to half into base into height, is it? So half into, for ADE we will take the height what? DM, is it? So DM, if you are taking the height, then the base will be what? AE, right? So AE into DM. Okay, again area of triangle what? DEC. Okay, DEC, area of triangle DEC will be what? Half into base into height, half into, so base means what will be? EC, is it? EC, this one EC. First of all I have taken A, is it? A you have taken, and now you take EC. EC into, and the height will be taking what? DM. Okay, DM is the height. Okay, now see, you find out the ratio of this two triangles. Okay, therefore, now right, therefore area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BDE is equal to 1/2 into AD into EN was the area of triangle ADE divided by A1/2 into DB into EN was the area of triangle BD, right? So 1/2 you can cut, and EN you can cut. So what's remaining? AD by DB. Okay, similarly area of triangle ADE divided by area of, means we are going to find a ratio, is it? Area of triangle DEC is equal to 1/2 into AE into DM divided by 1/2 into AE into, sorry, AE not EC na, EC into DM, is it? So DM can cut, 1/2 can cut, what remaining? AE by EC. Okay, from the ratio of these two triangles you have got that AD by DB, and from these two triangles ratio we have got this AE by EC. So now we have to check that two triangles are equal or not. Okay, see, now see, from this two, from here we can directly write that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, so before writing this one, how it will be we have to know, is it? So one reason is there, so that triangle BDE and triangle DEC on the same base, on the same base D, right? So you can see the figure D, and between the same parallels BC and D. Okay, correct. So if the triangles are in the same parallel and the same parallel and the same base, then their area will be equal. Okay, therefore we can write area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Okay, if the area of triangle BD and DEC are same, then it will be the equal. Is it area of triangle BDE? Is it this one? BDE and DEC are same. Is it? So we can write that this one equal to this one. That means the area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC. Okay, this all are equal, and see this one equal to what we have got, AD by DB. Is it? So you write now AD by DB, and for this one AD by DEC is equal to what we have got, AE by EC. Is it? AE by EC. Hence proof what we have needed. We got it. Okay, right, guys? Understood? Okay, very good. So students, ইমান গৰমত ভিডিও বনাই আছো, যদিও ৰুমত ফেন আছে কিন্তু ফেন ইউজ কৰিব নোৱাৰো কাৰণ ভিডিও কোৱালিটি বা ভিডিওৰ নোটস ভিডিওৰ কথাখিনি ভয়েসটো বেয়া হ'ব। কিমান গৰমত ঘাম মুছি ইয়াত ভিডিও বনাই আছো, তোমালোকে দেখিছা জানিছা। আৰু ভিডিওটো যদি তোমাক অকনমান হলেও জীৱনত সহায় কৰিছে বুলি ভাবিছা, তেতিয়া হলে তুমি ভিডিওটো প্লিজ এটা লাইক দিবা, আৰু যদি এই ভিডিওটো তোমাৰ বাবে উপযোগী নহল বা তুমি ভবা ধৰণে নহল, এটা ডিসলাইক কৰিবা। কিন্তু কোৱেশ্চন দুটামান মই সুধিছিলো, এই দুটাৰ উত্তৰ তুমি কমেন্ট বক্সত দিবলৈ নাপাহৰিবা, আৰু ভিডিওটো লাইক বা ডিসলাইক কিবা এটা কিন্তু কৰিবা। ঠিক আছে, তেনেহলে আজিলৈ ইমানে, বাই বাই। ভিডিও শেষলৈকে চোৱাৰ কাৰণে বহুত বহুত ধন্যবাদ জনাইছো, আৰু আজি ভিডিওটো ইমানলৈকে আছিলে। সো শেষত সকলোকে বাই বাই টাটা। সো বাই বাইটো দিয়াৰ আগতে SUBScribe বটন টিপি দিলানে এবাৰ চেক কৰা, আৰু যদিহে দিয়া নাই টিপি দিয়া, আৰু লাইকটো টিপি দিলানে এবাৰ চেক কৰা, যদিহে কৰা নাই কৰি দিয়া। তেতিয়াহ'লে সকলোলৈকে, যদিহে লাইক আৰু সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিছা, আকৌ এবাৰ বহুত 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 ধন্যবাদ। বাই বাই।